Good. What is that supposed to be?
It's sage, and the smoke, it helps get rid of all the negativity.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
So you any chance to get rid of that there?
I don't know. You want me to go try it? You want me to go try this much?
To see if the Great Spirit works or... Oh my God.
I just want to keep it going.
That's too funny. Well, maybe it'll work. It chased David Allward out of town, I guess. He's not a bad guy.
He's not out of town?
Oh yeah, he's out of town. But I say he's not a bad guy. All started with the Liberals, huh?
Actually, Dave Allward used to work for Tobic First Nation.
Did he?
Yeah.
Good.
He did. That's where I first encountered him.
Nice guy, nice guy.
He was a...
Consular, huh?
No, he worked for Pathways, which was like a employment agency.
Yeah.
Like an employment program. Yeah, he worked there for a while, and he's come a long way. You know, their office used to be in the basement of a hall, like a community hall.
Came a long way. I quit smoking a year and a half ago. Is that good stuff?
Yeah, yeah. That will help you.
In case I'd be away. So I'm negative, right? It's just all like me everywhere I go.
Here, you can take it down to the car.
Oh my God, they will arrest me. It's too funny. I gotta take a picture of this. Stand. Can you hold it?
You want me to hold it?
Yeah, hold it.